Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today let's make this animated pointer slide. First, select solid fill color for background. Then we will go to shapes, select rectangle with round corner and align it to the middle of the slide. Fill the shape with white color and make it no outline. Then again we will go to shapes and insert a rectangle. Resize it, fill it with no outline and choose any solid fill color of your choice. Rotate it little bit and adjust. I am zooming the screen here so that it will be more visible. Now duplicate the shape with Ctrl+D, fill it with black color and select the former shape, right click and go to edit points and adjust the point so that it will give shadow effect. Now place the black shape and sand it backward. Then increase the transparency for more realistic view. Now insert a top rounded corner rectangle and place it bottom of the shape. Align it and make it no outline and fill the shape with yellow color. Then we will insert a text box and write title in it. Align it center. Change the font and font size will be 32. Now add the content, then go to shapes, insert a rounded corner rectangle, duplicate it with Ctrl+D and change the color fill of later shape. Align it on the bigger shape, then select both shape, go to merge shapes and subtract. Then we will insert a rectangle. Then first select a shape, hold Ctrl and select rectangle, go to merge shapes and subtract. Change the shape color to black, resize it and shift on the first shape and place the shapes accordingly so that we get the pin look in PowerPoint. Now I want to give some shadow effect to it, so for that I will insert a circle and make it no outline, fill the shape with black color. Then go to effects, then soft edges and select the size 3. Then come to fill and line and increase the transparency. Then adjust it accordingly to give a nice shadow effect. Now select all the shapes and group it with Ctrl+G. Now adjust the shape and duplicate it with Ctrl+D and adjust the shape. Repeat it 2 more times. Now we will select all shapes, go to shape format, alignment section and do distribute vertically and distribute horizontally. Now it looks perfectly aligned and arrange it on the slide. Now go to shapes and insert a text box and write the text you want. Now change the color of elements of respective boxes and add content of your choice. And here you are done. If you find it useful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.